Absolutely nothing. I would do it the exact same way. I believe in the system that we have here at Jani-King works really well. We're not going to overwhelm you in the beginning, so we're going to start you off exactly where you need to be based on your level of experience. My advice would be to get prepared, be prepared as much as you can, research as much as you can about the business, be prepared to deal with all types of situations, from customer complaints, employee issues, accounting, because you really are the soul of your business. You're going to act as the manager, the owner, the employee. So just be more familiar with all aspects of this business. I feel that customer complaints are our number one priority, but also how you handle those complaints can mean the life of your business. Me personally, I'm a problem solver by nature, so I enjoy resolving issues for clients and resolving issues for employees, being able to help them through their tough times, acting as an expert on their behalf. Oh, in many ways. We have one of the best support systems across any franchise. From being able to pick up a phone any time of day or night to get the kind of support you need to get through an issue that you may not be able to resolve on your own is very crucial. Our system, we have a system in place unlike any other commercial cleaning company, where we use local owners. We're all local. This is my area. I grew up in this area, so there's more of a sense of ownership and responsibility. I owe it to the community. So it's very critical. A lot of facilities we go into are, life and death. When you go into a medical facility, you're balancing by the way we're cleaning and what we're doing. Again, especially as it pertains to a medical facility, we're balancing someone's life, someone's health.
Enough.
No. Hard work will only get you so far. There's a lot of other aspects that you have to consider. One just can't simply work hard and expect everything to fall in place. So there's things we mentioned like being honest, being loyal. Perseverance is really, really big, because you can really work hard and have an obstacle that you can't get past. So all your hard work doesn't mean anything if you don't have other aspects to go along with it. I believe if you called 100% of my clients, they're all going to say the same thing. They could probably say a lot of things, but honesty is going to be at the top of the list. So just being upfront and being honest with them, being there for them, I think is the number one thing that they were going to say. I care a lot about who I'm working with. Again, I mentioned that I'm definitely a team player, and a lot of places you go, there's a lot of uncertainty about staffing and things like that, but most of all, just being fair. What sets me apart is I'm definitely a fair person. I believe in equal rights and those types of things, so I think that's what's going to set me apart from a lot of other franchisees or other businesses.